Introducing the Sony A7S IV, the latest powerhouse in the world of mirrorless cameras. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this camera promises to revolutionize how you capture your world. With groundbreaking low-light performance, 4K recording capabilities, and a host of new features, the A7S IV is here to set new standards. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or an aspiring content creator, the Sony A7S IV is more than just a camera. It's a game changer. Today, we'll dive deep into what makes this camera a must-have for every creator's toolkit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Sony A7S IV, Sony's latest addition to their renowned Alpha series. This camera is packed with features that cater to both photographers and videographers, and we're going to explore each one in detail. First, let's talk about the design. The Sony A7S IV maintains the compact and ergonomic design of its predecessors, but with a few notable upgrades. The grip is more comfortable, making it easier to hold during long shoots. The body is constructed from magnesium alloy, which offers durability without adding extra weight. The button layout is intuitive, with customizable controls that let you tailor the camera to your shooting style. The new, fully articulating touchscreen is a major upgrade, allowing you to shoot from virtually any angle with ease. This feature is particularly handy for vloggers and solo content creators. Now, let's dive into the heart of the A7S IV, its performance. Sony has equipped this camera with a newly developed 12.1 megapixel full-frame sensor. While 12.1 megapixels might seem modest compared to other cameras on the market, it's a deliberate choice to maximize low-light performance and dynamic range. The A7S IV excels in low-light conditions, making it perfect for shooting in challenging environments. With an expanded ISO range of 40 to 409,600, this camera captures incredible detail in both shadows and highlights, even in near darkness. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization also ensures that your shots remain steady, whether you're shooting handheld or using a longer lens. Next up, video capabilities. The Sony A7S IV can record 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, offering stunning slow-motion footage with exceptional detail. It also supports 10-bit forward 2:2 internal recording, giving you more flexibility in post-production to grade your footage and achieve the look you want. And for those of you who are into color grading, the S-Log3 and HLG picture profiles provide a wide dynamic range, allowing for a greater degree of creative freedom. The new heat-dissipating structure ensures longer recording times without overheating, a significant improvement over the previous models. But that's not all. The A7S IV features Sony's improved real-time IAF and tracking technology. Whether you're capturing fast-moving wildlife or shooting a high-energy music video, the autofocus system locks onto your subject with remarkable speed and accuracy. The autofocus performance is a game-changer, especially for videographers who need reliable, precise focusing. The camera's ability to maintain focus on a subject's eye, even when they're moving rapidly, is truly impressive. The A7S IV also supports a variety of connectivity options. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily transfer photos and videos to your smartphone or tablet using the Sony Imaging Edge mobile app. This is great for on-the-go content creators who need to upload footage quickly. And with the new USB-C port, you can charge the camera and transfer files faster than ever before. The dual card slots, supporting both CF Express Type A and SD cards, offer flexibility and redundancy, crucial for professional shoots. Whether you're shooting a wedding, a documentary, or a YouTube video, the A7S IV has you covered with its versatile storage options and fast, reliable connections. So, let's recap. The Sony A7S IV offers exceptional low-light performance, 4K recording at 120 FPS, advanced autofocus, and robust build quality, all packed into a compact, user-friendly design. It's a camera built for those who refuse to compromise on quality. The Sony A7S IV isn't just a camera. It's a tool that empowers you to push the boundaries of your creativity. Whether you're capturing the beauty of a sunset, the excitement of a sports event, or the intricacies of a bustling city at night, the A7S IV delivers unparalleled performance and versatility. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's a specific feature you'd like us to dive deeper into. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired. Capture your vision with the Sony A7S IV. See you in the next video.